Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the chat theme on Instagram. It's a fun way to personalize your chats and it only takes a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on the direct messages icon at the top right. And now select the chat where you wanted to change the theme. Now tap on the name of the person you are chatting with at the top of the screen. Under Chat Settings, you will see an option labeled Theme. Tap on it. And you will see a list of different themes and colors you can choose from. Scroll through the themes to find the one you like. When you tap on a theme, it will show you the preview. Just tap on Select. And that's it. Changing your chat theme is quick and easy, and you can change it as often as you like. Just remember that both you and the person you are chatting with will see the new theme. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.